All right. We have a blog on title issues, but what does that mean? Different things. So, lots of different stories that arise out of title. One of my favorites was a guy and a gal, as singles, bought a property together. Later on, they got married, and unfortunately, later on, she died. So, when he goes to sell the property, he thought he was selling it as husband and wife, tenants by the entirety. The wife had died, leaving him 100% in title. But no, that's not the case. Turns out, she had 3 children from a prior marriage, and he raised them since they were like 3 years old. And she died without a will. So that meant when she passed and when he went to go sell it, he owned his share, but he owned with the estate of his wife. And he was also a beneficiary of the estate of his wife. But the 3 kids, they were a beneficiary of his wife. So he ended up owning the property. He also inherited a share of the property from his wife as well, but he also owned it with the 3 kids. So when it came time to sell, they had an interest in the property. So that's what we mean by title issues, right? Different things can come up. So you're probably wondering what happened in that particular story, because that's what real estate is. Wonderful, incredible stories. In that particular case, he raised the kids since they were 3 years old. And when it came time to sell, they simply signed the deed and gave it to dad. And then he sold the home. And that is a quick example of title issues. I'm Michael Gutman, real estate attorney. All we do at Riley & Gutman, LLC, is residential real estate. People buying and selling houses, we're here for you. If you have questions, we would enjoy fielding your questions and speaking to you.